The CEO of Meyer Capital. Good to see you. Thanks very much indeed.
Thanks, Ross.
So, welcome to London.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, he says that the economy is improving, but it's strengthening, but it's not great. Is that sort of the base view you would go with?
We're generally bullish, and I think the biggest opportunity for us is in the businesses that we invest in are small and medium-sized businesses, and I think the opportunity is the more the government can remove the fear of the unknown, the quicker the economy will recover.
There's a lot of unknown about, there's a lot of fear of what happens if the Fed is no longer dripping in, you know, sort of the junkie's medicine.
Right.
What's your view?
I think that the market's fundamentally going to believe that it's going to stay pretty steady right now. I think everyone expects interest rates to climb a little bit, and the Fed will continue to drip funds in until it becomes very, very strong.
Would that change your opinion on you making investments or not? I mean, if cost of money, you know, if cost of money goes up a little bit,
you have to be in stocks. We're 85% invested in stocks right now. We like the small business enterprises. Some of our companies are in the payroll processing, financial technology. So those are all businesses that do well in weak economies as well as strong economies. They generally do much better as the economy improves. So as long as the Fed continues to telegraph their move, which I think they've done fairly well for the next 18 months, I think we'll be fine.
How would you describe the guys you have invested in at the moment? What's their investment like? Their jobs hiring, their desire to take on people?
Again, I think their desire to take on people is challenged by the unknown of what the government might do with regulation. Obamacare, the healthcare side, is a big unknown right now. And so people are very concerned about bringing on people because they don't know what their costs will be associated with that. And once they figure that out, which will happen in the next 12 months or so, I think we'll see a lot bigger bump.
Does that mean they're much more into sort of temporary hires than full-time hires?
Right. So the temporary staffing is a great industry right now, especially in recovery mode, because people don't want to hire full-times because there's costs associated with hiring full-time versus temporary staffing.